Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are ready: inventory space, required keys, and at least 1/2 stack of bait. Once done, load Berry Avenue and open the map so you know spawn zones. Make sure you've equipped the scanner and a torch for visibility. These speed up detection. Then move to the first hotspot, the east courtyard, walking the perimeter slowly. The reason is simple. Meshes spawn on timed cycles, so consistent coverage increases your encounter rate. You now execute the core loop. Patrol the 3 high-probability hotspots in sequence while scanning regularly. Use the scanner sweep every 20 to 30 seconds and listen for the distinct ping. This tells you a mesh is nearby. When you detect activity, slow to walking speed and deploy bait for 45 to 60 seconds. This increases spawn persistence. Once a mesh appears, prioritize positioning to avoid losing sight. If one doesn't appear, move to the next hotspot and repeat. Consistency beats randomness. You finish by capturing and securing the new mesh. Switch to the quick capture tool and make short, controlled taps to lock it in. Steady aim reduces breaks. Once captured, immediately return to your inventory to confirm stats and folder placement so it doesn't overwrite existing assets. If you encounter persistent non-spawns, leave Berry Avenue for 90 seconds to reset the spawn timer, then reload and repeat the hotspot loop. This reset fixes most spawn glitches and keeps your attempts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.